Hi, so we're here with Nate and Tammy Bateman, the founders of Paws for the Cause. Hi.
Hello.
You can go, you can start all over again. You could try to find a way to make another day go by. You can hide, hold all your feelings inside. You could try to carry on when all you wanna do is cry.
This is Stella, and she is being trained for our 7-year-old autistic son.
Hi! Yay, race day! Woo! Okay, we're going to start in just a minute with the runners. They'll start us off. The race is marked with the cone.
Someday we'll live our lives out loud. We'll be better off somehow. Someday.
I think the community really came together once we got the word out. People were calling and asking if they can volunteer, what they can do to help. With the sponsors, it seems when we approached them about what we were doing, that everybody pretty much knows somebody with autism and how
You can run, and when everything is over and done, you could shine a little light on everything around you. Man, it's good to be someone. And maybe someday we'll figure all this out. Try to put an end to all our doubt. Try to find a way to make things better now. And maybe someday we'll live our lives out loud. We'll be better off somehow. Someday.
After your first event for Paws for the Cause, are you more confident that this can become a foundation?
I'm very confident that it will become a foundation. We've already helped a lot of people.
'Cause maybe someday we'll figure all this out. We'll put an end to all our doubt. Try to find a way to just feel better now. And maybe someday we'll live our lives out loud. We'll be better off somehow. Someday. Well, sometimes we don't really notice just how good it can get. So maybe we should start.
We've just finished part of our run.
And the day of the event, how was the experience and did it meet your expectations?
The day of the race was amazing. We got up at 4 o'clock in the morning and to set up for the race, and we were so excited to be doing it.
We laid in bed Saturday night, and Tammy looks at me and she's like, "Now what do we do?" She's like, "Oh, it's over." And I said, "Well, we just have time we can look forward to the future."
It's kind of like Christmas morning. After Christmas morning, I have to wait a whole nother year.
Well, good thing it's not over. It's just the beginning for Paws for the Cause.
That's right. Just the beginning.
There's many events that are going to come up for you guys.
Yes.
It was a wonderful start.